Hello guys, hello, welcome to my channel, welcome to this video and welcome to Call of Duty mobile gameplay. What is it? Oh, what is it girl? Who's she? Shadowfall. This is fun. We have a katana over here. Speaking of katana, let's do some fun today. Why don't we, right? So this is my weekly reward. I'm gonna open this, claim this as well. I'm gonna open this right now. And get one of the chat. This is the one. Amazing, right? And I can now tell something or something. I can do that. So you basically have to wait for I think 2-3 months. I mean not months, 2-3 weeks. You will until it's 100, until the math number is 100. I mean not 100, 20. What am I saying? My advice is if you just tell it initially, you won't get that much value out of anything. You just need to know the marketing system. I'm sure some of you do know, but what I meant to say is not the real marketing system of this world, like buy and sell all that nonsense. I'm talking about in Call of Duty craft items. You wanna tell this guy, I mean anything you get to sell. But I prefer to do it until you can see over here. Right now it's 2. Basically I've waited for how many weeks? I think it's 1 week basically. Last Sunday I got this Sunday I got that guy. But I would prefer to wait until it's 20 so that you can get 100 credits out of it. And in my opinion, if it is 100 credits, you should take it. And if you want more, it's in fact better for you to wait. The more you wait, the more the number will grow. And the more number will grow, it will multiply the number of credits you will get in return. This is basically how you do the share marketing. By the way, my father is the shareholder. I'm a son. I don't know much about that, but I've learned from him that until and unless you don't get the maximum value, you don't get the value that you desire, you shouldn't sell anything. You shouldn't sell it. Like the same system is applicable here as well. The more you wait, the more copies. This is basically the number of copies. Like 1 is 5, 2 is 10. So basically, each copy you get, it's multiplied by 2. So 1. That's 2. It's 5 multiplied by 5 credits. So suppose it's like, let's say 30. So 3 into 5 is 15 to 150 credits. You just have to wait in such a way that it's the maximum value you get. Don't buy it, don't sell it too soon. You just have to wait. Like suppose, just to give you a quick example, is this guy. This is also 2 to 10. I prefer not to like sell it. And then you compare which of them gets the maximum value. Basically, it's a value of credit. It's basically the number of what's that called? Copies multiplied by 5 is gonna be the value of the chart that you get to sell, which will be equal to the value of the number of credits that you're gonna get in return. So don't sell it too soon. Like it's 10. Not 10. It's 2. 2 copies and the value 10. I'm saying the price. I'm talking about the price. Make sure the maximum price you get to sell. Don't sell it too soon. Just wait. Just be patient. And don't be the patient and get admitted in a hospital. Don't do that. That will be pretty bad. Just wait. Have patience. Take it easy. So this is a little tutorial about how you sell and buy the CHAD. You go to store. What is this? Sprite Fighter. Ooh, look at this. I wouldn't mind getting this guy. And this girl. You know what? I'm going for it. Let's see. Again, please. I want that girl, please. Screw you, go to hell. What is this? I have 5 of these. Is it smart? I'll get this thing. I'm going for it. And the art again. This is the shield again. The dog. The trap meter and the helicopter. So nothing good I've gotten, so you just have to wait. Now let's get back to what we're gonna do now. Okay. So this is my advice basically. You just have to wait. I've got this. I'm gonna equip it right now. Okay. What is this? Tune. Okay, now let's get back to our business. This is Pistol Shooting Complex. The name of the challenge is Pistol Shooting Complex. So again, this is that was the little tutorial on what I've learned so far. So you just have to wait. Okay, now let's get back to the Pistol Shooting Complex. In the hockey yard. I'm gonna go for this.
Gun drop request incoming.
Let's see what happens. Perfect. Alright. Here you go.
Contact with enemy.
Okay. Take it easy. You were literally standing there. Can you imagine that dude? That wasn't nice. I'm dumb. Can't
Enemy
shoot
contact.
for God's sake.
Enemies are trying to open the safe.
That is
Give them
good.
hell. Successfully looted a safe. The enemy has cracked a safe and stolen the loot.
Okay.
Successfully looted a safe.
Tango down.
I'm gonna
Target.
stab him with the knife. It's not worth it. It was
Contact
dumb
with
of
enemy.
me. Don't do this at home, guys.
Enemy contact.
Enemy down!
Perfect.
Changing back.
That was amazing. I just don't have to talk like I usually do. I just have to play smart.
Contact with enemy.
Enemies are trying to open the safe. Give them hell.
I can do that.
Enemy
too.
contact.
Enemy has cracked a safe and stolen the loot. Successfully
worth it.
looted a safe.
That was dumb of me. Don't do that at home, guys.
Contact with enemy. Enemy
Perfect.
down.
Did you see how I literally shot his ass off? Did you see that, guys?
Changing mag, cover me.
Shooting complete. I'm gonna use the knife just in case, but you know I'm too good with knives, right? Ah crap.
Target.
Go for it! Not really. You were that stupid dude was literally standing there, like
Tango down.
gonna pay for what you've done to me. You. Oh wow. Wow.
Enemies are trying to
This-
open the
wow,
safe.
that's amazing.
Give them
I
hell.
love this
Enemies
game.
are trying to open the safe. Give
I
them
love
hell.
this freaking game.
The enemy has cracked a safe and stolen the loot.
Reload.
Successfully looted a safe. Taking the lead.
That is good.
Tango down.
I'm gonna have to use the knife just in case.
Enemy contact.
Where am I going? It's not gonna be
I have contact.
cool. That's cool. Wasn't really.
Enemy.
That dumb ass was literally standing on me. Like, what the hell is this crap? Stop it! Just stop it!
Target.
Oh, you made me mad. Oh, you made me mad. Can't tell me how mad I am. I'm so freaking mad. Burn in hell.
Successfully looted a safe.
Burn in
Keep it
hell.
up.
Just burn in hell.
Hostile sentry gun in your AO.
You know what? You know what?
Enemy
You're
contact.
touching my patience. I'm gonna murder you.
Successfully looted a safe.
That's right. Get back, you idiot. Don't you dare do that to me or I'll kill you. I swear to God I'll kill you. You're touching my patience, you dumb bastard. You will... Okay. That was satisfying. I don't have to talk like I usually do. Just sit there,
Enemy down.
wait for the attack,
Our sentry gun has been destroyed.
and be smart. That
Enemies
was-
are trying to open the
little bit
safe.
dangerous.
Give them hell.
I'm gonna sit here, wait for the attack.
Enemies are trying to open the safe. Give them hell. Be advised, hostile sentry
Okay.
gun spotted.
Stand, not sit.
Enemy down.
That was really lucky, guys.
Contact with enemy.
Enemy EMP systems incoming. Be careful. Our sentry gun has
What the
been
hell is going
destroyed.
on?
They're hurting. Keep fighting.
Why everything is lagging like this? Good. Okay. That definitely makes sense. Okay.
Reloading.
Cool. Sometimes these types of
Enemy contact.
I'm gonna stab him with my knife. After it's
Enemies are trying to open the safe. Give them hell.
cool. I'm literally playing with fire, guys.
Successfully looted a safe.
God freaking damn it. That was more annoying than I expected. That was literally annoying. More annoying than I expected. What is wrong with this AI? I couldn't even come in the top village. Like, what the
Mission
hell is this
accomplished.
crap?
Good work.
Okay, cool. But that was challenging, not really. That was definitely challenging. Okay, cool. 100, and what is this? The banner, the bag, the art. Where's the guy where I'm looking? That's not important. What is wrong with my stupid connection? Logging for 2 days, logging for 4 days. What is it? Tonight. What is this? This is good. Okay. Let's continue dominating. I just need to not chuck as I usually do. I just need not to chuck.
Heist. Gun drop request
This
incoming.
is my request. Instant. Beautiful. It's taking a long time to go, but it's fine. You know what? It's fine. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. I just need to maintain the flow. Okay? This is perfect. Not really.
Enemies are trying to
Not
open the
really.
safe. Give them hell.
Okay, what is it? Delete this crap.
Successfully looted a safe. The enemy has cracked a safe
One
and
stop.
stolen the loot. We tied for the lead. Enemies are trying to open the safe. Give them hell.
Did you see that headshot I did?
The enemy has cracked a safe and stolen the loot.
Go up. Perfect.
Contact with enemy.
Okay. I'm literally playing with fire, guys. Now this is gonna go for queen. Okay. Queen shot.
Enemies are trying to open the safe. Give them hell. The enemy has cracked a safe and stolen the loot.
Targets in sight.
Right in the ass. Get wet. Now can this work this time? Thank you.
Enemies are
Green
trying
dot.
to open the safe.
Ah,
Give them
yeah.
hell. The enemy has cracked
What
a
is
safe
wrong
and
with
stolen the
it? I
loot.
can't take screenshots. The stupid controller is messing me up. You know what? Screw the screenshot. I'm not playing games anymore.
Hostile sentry gun in your AO.
What the hell was that? I somehow managed to get hidden. Okay,
Enemy
Be
contact.
advised, hostile sentry gun spotted.
not really. It's fine, it's not the
Successfully
end of the
looted a
world.
safe.
I'm gonna tap people to death with my, you know,
Enemies are trying to open the safe.
gonna go
Give
up.
them hell.
right now.
The enemy has cracked a safe and stolen the loot.
You stole my crate?
Contact with enemy.
That's right. You just can't do that to me. And let me tell you why. Now this is gonna go for a screenshot. Perfect. God damn it.
Enemy in sight.
Perfect.
Hostile sentry gun in your AO.
Get well.
Enemies are trying to
Leader.
open the safe. Give them hell. Enemies are trying to open the
Escape,
safe.
escape,
Give them
escape.
hell. The enemy has
Run,
cracked a safe
run.
and stolen the loot. Successfully
How did I
looted a
die there?
safe.
How the hell did I die there? Screw it. Screw you. I was trying to play defensive, but you have to play smart. Basically. Okay, makes sense.
Mission failed. We'll get him next time.
Get here. Good stuff. Thank you for the like though. It's really nice of you. Okay, let's continue dominating. This is basically round number 3. And there'll be the final round number 4. And that's all we're gonna do today.
Nice.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to go for this.
Gun drop request incoming.
Perfect. I just wanted to fit something.
Enemies are trying to open the safe. Give them hell. Enemies are trying to open the safe. Give them hell. The enemy has cracked a safe and stolen the loot. The enemy has cracked a safe and stolen the loot.
Not
Successfully looted a safe.
With enemy.
That actually was literally standing there. How did I die there? How did I die? How the hell did I die? Stop killing me so soon, for God's sake. You are annoying. Can I have a bitch?
Enemy contact.
That is cool. I helped him. Will you help me? I hope you do.
Tango down.
That is cool. I'm gonna tap
Enemies
people
are
to
trying
death.
to open the safe. Give them hell.
Target.
The enemy has cracked a safe and
That's
stolen
right.
the loot.
Chop it throat. That would be really nice.
Contact with enemy.
Successfully
That is
looted
cool.
a safe.
That would really be true though. Okay.
Tango down.
That was crazy. I literally started live in front of my eyes. I literally try my life. What am I doing?
Enemy contact. Contact with enemy. I have contact.
That's right. No harm shall come upon me. Okay. Cool.
Enemies are trying to open the safe.
Good
Give
enough.
them hell. The enemy has cracked a safe and stolen the loot. Successfully looted a safe. Be advised, hostile sentry gun spotted.
Okay.
Enemy contact.
Where am I?
Target.
Perfect. I literally died there just because of the lag. Like, what the hell is this?
Hostile sentry
Put your
gun
damn
in your AO.
game.
Enemy sentry gun has been destroyed.
How did I die? Okay, that was a trap machine again.
Enemies are
I
trying
did
to
not
open
see
the
that
safe.
coming.
Give them hell.
Enemy contact.
The enemy has cracked a safe and stolen the loot.
Wow! Can I have a bit?
Enemies are
Wow!
trying to open the
I love
safe.
this game.
Give them hell.
I love this stupid game. I love this stupid game. I'm gonna slag him. Amazing. Amazing, I love it.
Contact with enemy. Target down.
Okay, it's good.
Enemy.
Wow. It's wow. It's
Be advised,
amazing.
hostile sentry gun spotted.
Amazing. Okay.
I have contact.
Enemies are trying
You know
to
what?
open the safe. Give them hell.
You know what, guys? You know what?
The enemy has cracked a safe and stolen the loot.
For 500, it's okay. Whatever. I don't care. I don't care.
Enemy contact.
I'm gonna attack him from behind.
Enemy sentry gun has been destroyed.
Why the hell the stupid
Contact with
controller
enemy.
gets messed up?
Hostile
You know what I'm
people
doing in this
failing
game?
this mission.
Escape, 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 escape! Get in this. That is close. I'm gonna sit here. Okay.
Watch your back. We're opening
What
the
am I
safe.
doing?
Enemies are trying to open the safe. Give them hell.
Does not matter, does it? I'm gonna stab him with my knife. You shall not do that to me. That would be really appreciating. Thank you.
Changing mag. Cover me.
Tango down.
Okay. I'm gonna stand here.
Changing mag. Cover me.
Enemies are trying to open the safe. Give them hell.
Okay.
Hostile sentry gun in your AO. The enemy has cracked a safe and stolen the
Beautiful.
loot.
Okay, makes sense. Makes freaking sense. This happens a lot. Let me fix something. Alright, I'm back. Defeat. I love this game, guys. This is why I play this game. I love it.
Defeated. Don't let this happen again.
So the game is fun. Okay, now this is the last round I'm gonna do it. If I lose, I lose. Not the end of the world. Let's do it then. Perfect. Let's do one last fight and we are gonna be just fine. Sometimes I don't understand the mechanism of this phone first of all. I had to try like 50 times in my life to get one freaking screenshot. Like what the hell is this crap? It's 30,000 rupees mobile. It should be good, right?
Nice.
Unfortunately it's not.
Gun drop request incoming.
Okay. Now let's see how I do it this time.
I have contact!
That is cool.
Enemy contact!
That's right.
Successfully looted a safe.
Oh wow, it's chip.
Successfully looted a safe.
Perfect.
Enemies are trying to open the safe. Give them hell.
You can't do that.
I'm hurt.
Contact with enemy!
Enemy dead.
I'm gonna use the knife.
Target!
Get into. I'm gonna climb up.
Enemy contact!
Successfully looted a safe.
Reloading! Contact with enemy! I have contact! Cover me! Reload!
That's right.
Enemy contact!
Tango down.
Target! Target down!
Perfect.
I have contact!
Successfully looted a
That was
safe.
a legendary fight, wasn't it?
Enemies are trying to open the safe. Give them hell.
Tango down! Changing mag!
Successfully looted a safe.
Okay. Okay, this is how you do it. Now I understood.
Enemy contact! I have contact!
Successfully looted a safe. Successfully looted a safe.
Contact with enemy! Target down! Cover me! Reloading!
Okay, now I know. Maybe I can do one more fight. Alright guys then.
Targets in sight! Target down! I have contact!
Target down.
What is it AI?
contact.
I truly do not understand. The logic in this stupid game.
Enemies are trying to open the safe. Give them
Contact.
hell. Successfully looted a safe.
That was good. Okay, you know what? I'm done for now. I'm done. Okay, that was amazing.
Just another day. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay. What the hell is this? Okay then. I got this gun. Don't mind if I use it. Then over here. Let's do it for the sake of the sniper, pistol challenge, which is called pistol shooting complex. Let's do it for the sake of that. Okay, cool. I've got this gun. I don't know how, but I will not say no to that. Now, how does it work? That's a good question, by the way.
Contact with enemy. Reloading. Cover me. Enemy down.
Kill confirmed.
That is the fastest gun I've ever seen in my life.
Shield turret is ready.
Cool. I love it. The fastest
UAV
pistol
online.
in Call of Duty Mobile.
Enemy contact. Contact with enemy. Changing mag. Sniper.
Kill confirmed.
Okay.
Enemy contact.
I have to change it.
Sentry gun ready to deploy.
Okay.
I have contact. Target down.
Our
gonna
sentry
escape
gun
from
has been
me.
destroyed.
Buddy boo. You cannot escape from me. You just can't. Wow. Okay. That makes sense.
Kill confirmed.
Enemy contact.
Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Hostile stealth chopper inbound.
Contact with enemy.
Kill confirmed.
I have contact.
I can do this.
Careful. Enemy swarm activated. XS-1 Goliath incoming. Enemy airstrike incoming. Careful. XS-1 Goliath is landing. XS-1 Goliath has been destroyed.
It doesn't matter.
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.
Get killed by my sniper.
Enemy contact.
Wow. Okay. You know what? That made sense because
Be careful. Enemy swarm activated.
stop killing me, you asshole. Stop killing me. Stop killing me. You son of a bitch, stop killing me. Don't make me mad, you know?
Sniper down.
That's right. Don't you dare do that to me. I swear I'll murder you all like a dog.
Be advised. Hostile stealth chopper
Don't
inbound.
make me go crazy. Wow. Okay, that made sense.
Pick it up to UAV online.
That's right. This is how you do it in the dojo, baby. Okay. Did you see that?
Enemy
You know what?
airstrike incoming.
I'm
Be
done
careful. Kill confirmed.
I'm done playing.
I am contact.
Kill confirmed.
Alright guys. Alright guys, this is our Godfather for today. If you want to see more of these,
Mission failed. We'll get him next time.
thank you. It's Matt now. Okay. I cannot say no to that, but thank you. I can give you everything to that gun. I can go crazy and match everything up. You know what? I'm gonna. No, it's not. Gonna be smart. Okay. I did my part. What did it have? Baseball bat, sniper, gun, the backpack, the banner. This is cool. Shooting out the bullet from the finger. Really cool. What did it have? What are you doing, girl? Alright, this is our Godfather for today. Okay, I just have to get out of this now. Whatever. I just have to get out of this now and call out for the day. So this is all I have got for you for today. If you like my tutorial and if you like the pistol shooting complex challenge, I would really appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video, and share it with your friends. That let everybody know that B Daniel is making YouTube videos, and he also has his own channel. Because I barely get any subscribers, so please do it if you haven't. And if you're watching this video, it's basically making me cry right now. I mean, I'm not crying, I really love you, but I don't understand why you don't subscribe to my channel. So many views I get, but hardly any subscribers. Why? Please do it. Please do it, guys. Please do it. I know I'm being greedy, but come on. I'm making my time for you guys to make awesome gaming videos. Please do it. So many of you watch my video and you don't care. Please subscribe, man. Please subscribe. I'm trying my best here. I've got a lot of things to do, but I basically keep them aside for you guys to entertain. I mean, I make videos for you guys to entertain, for you guys to be happy. And I'm not getting what I want, so please do it. Thank you very much. And I will see you on Tuesday with a Shadow Fight 3 video. We are going to continue with chapter 2 as promised, and on Thursday, since I've gotten addicted to Mortal Kombat and I've got my first freaking diamond, and I've named my, I've given my username, which is called the King of MK Mobile, whatever it is, I don't know. So please do it, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like my video, like this video, and comment if you think that I won or lost this pistol shooting complex challenge. And I will see you on Tuesday with a brand new Shadow Fight 3 video. Alright? Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Alright, let's see what it did. I forgot to check this out. Nothing to show here. What is this? Oh, wait. Don't pause the video. Don't pause the video, wait. I'm gonna go for it. Not really. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.